Okay, my cameraman quit. He's a union guy, so we couldn't come to terms. Here's what I'm thinking is, okay, when it comes to opening it, with these open here, you just cut it like that, slip your hand in there. So you see what I mean about these panels? There you go. There you go. Okay. So it's figuring out the right amount of glue. If we use more glue, it'd permanently seal it. But I think this was the dots. Okay, so the more glue that you put down, see, here's what I'm talking about over here. The box will destroy. We put more glue on these, so these can't be opened. So that's what it is. It's just putting the right amount of glue and not getting crazy on it. So trial and error, guys. That tape, let's see here. It's just trial and error. So I think that hot glue is gonna be the deal. Sorry about that camera work, but you get it. Yeah. So anyways, you'll see that glue is just, you will not separate, can't open it. The paper separates before the glue. I mean, so we got this. I think it's just a little trial and error, and that'll keep them from hitting it with that box cutter. That's just up front my thoughts. Okay, more coming soon. Thanks, guys.